received this oral care kit by a company called Novaalab, and I think it's a really interesting product because what it does is it helps you with your oral health. So your gums, gingivitis, all of those things that you might get as you get older especially. And I know that my hygienist at my dentist is constantly yelling at me saying, you've got these pockets in your teeth, you need a deep cleaning or some type of laser treatment. And so this is an at-home product that will do a lot of that. It'll really help with that. And so I just want to show you first what's in the box. So this is the device itself. It's got two buttons. It's got a power button and a mode button. The main mode is 15 minutes, but you can make it less. Like you would start with 5 minutes and work up to 10 minutes and then go to 15 minutes. Just to make sure that you don't have a problem or you just are getting used to it, right? This is what you actually put into your mouth. So it's like a little mouthpiece that looks like this. So it's a little piece that you will put into your mouth while you're running the device, and this plugs into the device itself. And so you're going to just plug this into the device in the same place that you charge it, like that. And then you're going to put this in your mouth, and you want to make sure that you have clean teeth and everything. And you have to charge up the device first to make sure it's fully charged, which I did already. And then you just put this in your mouth so you can see that'll fit right between your teeth. And I'm just going to put it in my mouth. Can't talk while I'm doing that, but I'm going to turn it on. So here it is, it's turned on, and then I'm going to click the mode button. So right now it says it is on 5 minutes. So I'm just going to put it in my mouth. So I just did 5 minutes. I didn't feel anything. There's no heat or anything like that. Sorry, I got saliva there. Anyway, it's just really super easy to use. You could use this just while you're sitting around doing stuff. And then you just gradually increase it to 15 minutes max, and then it'll work. So according to the box, it says the blue light kills off bacteria that causes infections and bad breath, while the red light prevents gum, tooth, and mouth tissue decay by penetrating and regenerating dead cells. And so this way your gums are going to be healthier and you won't have to go to the dentist as often for treatments that are expensive because you can do it yourself at home. I think it's really brilliant. The instructions have all the instructions you need to clean it off because you want to definitely keep it clean, and then it's ready to go for the next day. When you're done using this, you want to use either 75% alcohol or warm water to clean this because you want to keep it really clean. You want to use this for 7 to 10 consecutive days to get the best results. And the best time to use it is before bedtime, which makes sense because you could just be sitting there, maybe, just getting ready for bed after you brush your teeth and you floss them and dry off your teeth a little bit, and then it's a good time to do that because then it'll work overnight, which I think is great. So it's best to use it for 10 to 15 minutes. You just want to use it for 5 minutes just to get started, but then you're going to get the best results if you use it for 10 to 15 minutes each night. Once it's clean, you want to make sure to store it back in this little case right here because that'll keep it safe, and this just wraps around the case like this. I can't do it while I'm doing the video, but you can just keep it in here and it's nice and safe, and then it has some air holes in here so it can breathe. I'll put a link in the description where you can find this product, and I hope you enjoy it.